Hey guys, Super Checker again. I got something new for you. I persuaded a new zippo today. Really nice. It has, I think, ruby eyes. Wait a minute. I'm gonna put a lamp on it. See? I really like it. Because you see the double plate, really thick. Yeah, I like this new zippo a lot. I think it's one of a kind. I've never seen this one before. It's a sort of a Hawaiian sort of god. I don't know what the name of it is, but it's, yeah, I googled it on internet, and it says it protects people. It's sort of a protection god, so don't know exactly what it is. Excuse me. Yeah, it's a, I don't know what finish it is. I think a matte silver finish. Just a zippo. It's made in December 2008. So I really like it. I think it's one of a kind. I don't think anyone has this one. So okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Hope to see you another time. Maybe subscribe me as a friend, subscribe me as, doesn't matter what, maybe comment. I really like if people ask me about reviews. You know, I like reviews. So okay guys, see you next time. Hope you liked it, and bye. Keep tricking.